A major medical emergency demands immediate action. When a family member suddenly requires specialized surgery or intensive hospital care, the physical danger is severe. But for millions of households, the primary obstacle to survival is financial. The catastrophic cost of specialized care acts as an impenetrable wall, completely locking them out of the hospital. The Indian government built the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, commonly known as PMJ, to directly dismantle this financial barrier. It stands as the largest government-funded healthcare program in the world. Looking at the scale here, the scheme aims to cover over 12 crore poor and vulnerable families across the country. By absorbing the extreme costs of secondary and tertiary treatments, the program guarantees specialized medical care as a right for those who need it most, rather than an exclusionary luxury. The first obstacle the scheme eliminates is the paralyzing cost of a hospital admission. Under the program, eligible families receive a fully subsidized, cashless health insurance cover of up to 5 lakh rupees every single year. This specific coverage targets major medical interventions, secondary and tertiary care hospitalization, at any impaneled public or private hospital. As shown on this medical referral form, financial protection begins before admission. The scheme covers up to 3 days of pre-hospitalization expenses for vital diagnostic tests. Coverage then extends well after discharge, securing 15 days of post-hospitalization expenses for recovery medicines and follow-up visits. By fully funding the entire timeline, from initial diagnostics to home recovery, the policy shields patients from the hidden, out-of-pocket expenses that traditionally force vulnerable families into deep debt. The second major barrier to care is bureaucratic delay. To counter this, PMJA enforces zero restrictions on family size, age, or gender. This Aadhaar card represents the first of only 2 required documents. It serves as the mandatory verification of the applicant's identity. The second requirement is proof of family inclusion. A standard ration card, seen here, or an official PMJ letter easily fulfills this step. The process is built for speed. First, families verify their eligibility online using the SECC 2011 database or by visiting a local Ayushman Arogya Mandir. Next, they take their 2 required documents. At the Ayushman Mitra counter inside any impaneled hospital, a fast biometric scan proves their identity and instantly generates their active e-card. The program also recently eradicated the final demographic barrier, age limitations. The government expanded the scheme to directly include all senior citizens. Anyone aged 70 years and above now receives an exclusive card, granting an additional top-up cover of 5 lakh rupees, regardless of economic background. Stripping away complex paperwork and strict age limits ensures that emergency funds reach the patient exactly when a medical crisis strikes. Ultimately, the system operates through direct, paperless settlement with the hospitals. A covered patient returns home with 0 out-of-pocket expenses. Because the benefits are so substantial, there is one critical rule. Generating an Ayushman card and receiving treatment is entirely free at all official impaneled hospitals. You must never pay processing fees. Third-party websites demanding online payment for these cards are predatory scams built to steal from vulnerable applicants. To protect yourself, only verify your eligibility and seek official information directly through the government dashboard at pmjay.gov.in. PMJAY is a structural redesign of healthcare access in India. It permanently severs the devastating link between a sudden illness and a family's financial ruin.